So what's up guys, today I'm gonna present to you my new self-defense or home defense CO2 gun. So this is from Umarex HDR 50 caliber. I paid like €100 for it, just like this, with no capsules, no balls, nothing. So open the box. Inside we have just a gun, actually. A gun. We have the invoice. We have some papers. So here it is. You open here, you get the magazine out. I have like the rubber balls, 50 caliber. You put them here inside. Then you just pull this back. To open the, so here I have the normal CO2 capsules. Which you put here in the back. You just open this. And put the capsule in. Put this back on. I'm not gonna use it now, so I'm not gonna make that. And put the cap back in. You tighten it. In case it's emergency, you have here the push button. You just click one time. This goes a little bit outside, and it shows you that you have pressure inside, and it's ready to use. See you in the next video, which I'm going to shoot it a little bit against different obstacles. This is the 7.5 version. Because this is the legal version in Germany. In Austria, for example, you have the 11-year-old version, which is much more powerful, but here in Germany it is illegal. So I also have here the pepper balls, which I just find out that in Germany you can't use it at people's, just animals, in case you get attacked or something like that. So here's the pepper balls. It must be very painful to get hit in the face with one of these, so yes, but I probably never gonna use this, just in case of apocalypse maybe. So see you guys in the next video with the shooting tests, or as you want to say it, and have a nice day. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a like and enjoy. Bye.